come back to Lille. So we head to Grandes Rocques. Come on. What a lovely morning. I've just stumbled upon another German bunker. We've got Rousse Tower over there in the distance. We're heading to shortly. Better get an aerial view of this. Oh, that was close, even for me. Any Nazis down here? This one's got cannons. This makes me very emotional. Left cannonballs in it. Should I fire off a couple of rounds? The Rousse battery. Wonder if it's a LiPo. Sorry. It's one for my drone buddies. So why am I doing this walk, I hear you say? Two main reasons. First one, get this fat off. The second one is I started the walk about 10 years ago. I started clockwise from St. Petersburg. But only got as far as Petitblow Bay, which isn't even halfway across the south coast. So, made it my mission to complete it this year, hopefully within a couple of months. Yes, that's how long it takes me to walk. So they're the reasons I'm doing this. And also to bring you guys along, show you a bit of the island. Another bay. Well, the tide's receding, so hopefully by the time I get down to Port Soif, which is one of the main things I want to get up and film, just because of the shape of the bay, should reveal quite a lot of the sand and make it look nice. Let's crack on. We're not going to get anywhere standing here talking to the camera, are we? Let's walk! Just word of warning, when you come around this part of the coast, you will see what looks like a nice little pond down here. Locally known as Stinky Pool. Because it stinks. It's absolutely gopping. So do not, for your own sake, for your own health, swim in Stinky Pool. Ugh. This is the section of the coast called Le Passé. So called because It's not a very good beach. So everybody that passes it and goes further down the coast. There's a bit of sand. Not a lot, it's mainly rock. Whoa, look at me, I've gone wonky again. More greenhouses left to ruin. Even the seagulls fly upside down here because there isn't even anything worth shitting on. Better be careful where I fly the drone. Yeah, I'm going to call this a no-fly zone. Is that a kiosk I spy before me? Might be time for a coffee. I hope it's some woodies. And if you see a pile of stones, don't knock it over. Put another one on top. Well, it's not woodies, but they do Lavazza. And a full English breakfast. Well, that set me up for the day. I think I've just put on all the weight that I was hoping to lose today. Oh, that was a good breakfast, and them sausages. Ooh, very nice. Right, let's crack on. No rest for the wicked. So here we are at Port Soif. Lovely enclosed bay. See the beach spreads around there. It's super. And that wind's picked up. Let's see if we're good to fly. But just after that flight, those three ladies sitting at a picnic bench, sort of looking up. What's that? What's that? I just walked past and said, don't mind the giant wasp in the sky, it was only me. So we eventually figured out what it was. Oh, great fun. There's a different view of Port Soif. Just over here, the unmistakable rooftops of Grandes Rocques. I was going to say something then, but I just couldn't get the words out. I'd all clammed up. Oh wow. Interesting. That's in the trenches. Oh, yeah. Get the cannon. Must have been some kind of setup in here. Whoa. Perfect spot to pick people off. This is a good place to finish up. Enjoy next time. We're on the beaches of Cobo.